going on? It's your boy Cartoon Review. Will review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're gonna discuss with y'all why the Samsung S10 lineup made it good to have a phone. Like, made it exciting. Made it like you wanted this phone because it did it. You could do that one thing that I believe other phones you really can't do before them. I'm gonna let you know right now. All right, the main reason why I feel that the S10 lineup made it fun for people to use their phone, made it like enjoyable. When you turn on that screen, the first thing you see is your wallpaper, and they like with the S10 lineup, they hit it out of the park without them realizing that it was gonna happen this way. Look at some of the wallpapers that people could do. Like, you can't, like, you see how good they hide that wallpaper hides the camera. Like, it's so amazing. Like my first video, I was a little upset that I couldn't get it. I think I'm gonna still be able to get it down the line. I'm not sure. Let's see how everything works out. But this is why I fell in love with this phone, man. I really did. Like, it's, you could be creative. Look at that. That's dope. Look, wallpapers is just, it's something that if you could find something to hide, like, it challenged people to hide that punch hole, which is good, like, awesome. Look, that look how let's say even if they move the camera towards the middle a little bit, is you being creative. You finding different ways how to hide the camera, making a dope wallpaper for other people to use. Look at a submarine. It's awesome. It's, yeah, I just can't. I like some of these wallpapers just crack me up, man. Just crack me up. I was meaning to do this video just so people understand why people love this phone. Just because of that. Besides, it's a good phone. It has top spec. Even the 10SE has good specs, but you cannot find that other wallpapers. Well, before this one, people started being creative, because I know the Huawei, I think it's called, I forgot, the Honor 10, something like that, had the punch hole, but you couldn't get in the US, and I don't know. I just, for me personally, I seem to see it done first on the Samsung lineup, but I could be wrong. Look, yo, it's crazy. Pretty, oh man, Hero 6. That's one of my top movies, man. You should watch it. It's a good movie. Pikachu. Oh, look, you can't beat that. You just can't. See how creative people get? People get creative, especially when you have a phone that and it was a trend, so people started doing different. I don't have all the wallpapers that I've seen, but I've seen some outrageous one, man. It's my opinion. This is how I feel. I hope you feel the same way. And if you don't, let me know in the comment below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. That will mean a lot to me and my channel. If you want to donate to my channel, I'm going to leave a donation link down below. That would really appreciate me and my channel, so I could have other different texts that I could review and show and let y'all know how I feel about it, which is pretty dope. Let me know what next video y'all want me to do. Talk about anything. It doesn't even matter. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.